ensure efficiency and an on-time delivery for our customers, primarily through planning and communication. We provide all of our customers with a detailed project schedule after we've had a chance to review the sales documentation and all the information collected. We've met with the client and started to get to know them. We customize that plan based on what we've learned and based on what that customer has purchased and what they're looking to achieve during the implementation. That lays out a full plan to get them live with what they're expecting on time within their desired timeline. And so throughout that process, not only do we have to have that plan, but also clear and constant communication, whether that be between the customers, cross-functional teams who we're bringing in from time to time, or the other groups within ServiceChannel that help to support the implementation team and the implementation process as a whole.